Well, that's a better view from the door than we had at 5:30 this morning. Continuing with the botany theme, look at this nice little monkey puzzle tree in a very scenic little nook. We're in Hawkshead now. Been to Hawkshead many times, never actually been up this lane. There's a building here. Because for those of you who don't know, this is where William Wordsworth lived. I say all these little alleyways. You in your happy place, babe? You're watching, just lying there watching the views, listening to the bird song, weren't you, babe? How do we decide where we're going to park up?
I don't know, really.
Who decides on destinations? Why a campervan and not a caravan? What made us first decide we wanted a campervan? Why did we choose a Renault van to convert? Why do we tend to travel north rather than south? What are the positives and negatives about having a YouTube channel? What are our favourite and least favourite things in the van? Why don't we have an awning on the van? Why have we suddenly decided to change the tyres on the van?
Do for now.
Stop recording. What's the recipe tonight, chef?